Welcome to the sunny Los Altos, Orihuela Costa. Today, we are exploring a stunning two-bedroom apartment that offers luxury, convenience, and vibrant community lifestyle. Hello, I am Anita from Costalux Exclusive Homes. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are here in Los Altos, Torrevieja, and I will show you a new-built apartment here in the heart of Costa Blanca South. This apartment is really special. In the price, there is a furniture package, all decoration and household amenities, and also airco unit. Let's go check it together. As you can see, this development boasts beautifully landscaped community areas, perfect for relaxation. There is even a children's area separately, and also courts to play petang. Residents also have access to the gym, sauna and jacuzzi, ensuring a healthy and active lifestyle right at home. Now let's step inside. The living area is bright and spacious, designed with mixture of a modern and warm luxury interiors. The open plan layout connects the living room to a sleek, fully equipped kitchen, complete with all appliances you need, including a smart TV, coffee maker and toaster. Everything is ready here for you to move in. The apartment features two bedrooms with plenty of natural light. Each bedroom is designed for comfort and style. The two bathrooms comes with underfloor heating, perfect those cooler mornings, adding an extra touch of luxury to your daily routine. One of the highlights of these apartments is the large private terrace, ideal for enjoying the beautiful Spanish weather. In a penthouse apartment, you have your own private rooftop terrace with stunning views. Each apartment also includes a parking space and a private storage room, adding to the convenience. Located in a quiet area with lush green surroundings, this residential complex is just 500 meters from a supermarket and a bus stop. You are only 5-minute drive from some of the best golf courses in the region, offering fantastic opportunities for golf lovers. The area boasts several top-rated courses, providing a variety of options for golfers all levels. Just a short distance away is the charming coastal urbanization of Punta Prima. Known for its stunning Mediterranean climate and vibrant expatriate community, Punta Prima features beautiful beaches like Cala Terrace, Cala Ferries, Playa de Punta Prima, offering some family-friendly amenities and breathtaking views. The area is perfect for those looking to enjoy the best of the Costa Blanca lifestyle. As a special bonus, these apartments come fully furnished with a comprehensive furniture package. This includes stylish living room essentials like sofa, TV cabinet and dining set. The bedrooms are complete with comfortable beds, bedside tables and quality linens. The kitchen is fully equipped with appliances such as a coffee maker, toaster and microwave, along with the necessary kitchenware. Additionally, smart home features include a LED smart TV and advanced appliances like a built-in dishwasher and washing machine. Also, adapted air conditioning and remote-controlled electric shutters are included in the package. It's an incredible offer. Everything you need is ready for you to move in and start enjoying your new home. Thank you for joining us on this tour today. If you like this apartment or you have more questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss out our further videos. See you in the next one. Bye!